Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be feeding our parrot an apple for the first time. Now, some people prepare this by cutting it in half this way and giving your parrot like half of an apple. Some people cut them into little squares. I'm just going to cut it in half and cut a piece off and see how he reacts to it. My bird is like day and night, literally. At nighttime, he's not as like happy-go-lucky or whatever. Whereas in the morning, he's all greeting you and running around, and he'll eventually come to the front of the cage saying that he wants to get out and stuff like that. But he usually always takes a peanut when I come home at night, and I don't bother with him so much. I'll sit in there and do other things and just have my presence around him. So, we're gonna cut this apple. Right in half. And then I'm gonna cut another piece off of it. So now I have my deformed piece of apple, only because I had to take a piece off of it and try it. You know, the chef gets to test it. And I've seen people feed them to their birds multiple different ways. One of the ways is you can put it on a fork and prop it up in their cage. People put them in dishes, stuff like that, so that the apple don't fall out of the cage or whatnot. But my cage has a bottom liner to where it can fall down to, and I built him this hammock resting area, and I'm sure he'll just sit right there and eat at it. So we are gonna go up there, and you guys are gonna get to witness this for the first time with me, because he has never had fruit, at least yet. Good evening, pretty bird. Hi. Dad's got a treat for you, man. You see that, huh? You smell it? Oh, yeah. Okay, Dad's gonna have to open your cage. He's giving it a go, but I don't know, he seems reluctant to try it. Now, apples, if I can get him to eat it, are very nutritional for parrots. They supply vitamin A and C and magnesium, which is a good part of healthy growth for these parrots. So he wasn't too keen on that full slice piece, so I broke it into smaller sections, and he was actually nibbling at it pretty good, but he's hearing my dogs in the background, and it's got him cautious. Does that taste good, pretty bird, huh? That tastes good. So I left him with that piece last night, and he pretty much ate it all aside from a few little pieces. But I brought him a new piece this morning, and he was eating on it. Huh. You tell people how the apple was, man, huh? You tell them how the apple was. At any rate, thank you everybody for watching. I would say he likes it, but it might not be his favorite.